Hello, ni hao, I'm Chef Tam. Making sauteed string bean. Here I got 2 pounds of this string bean. Now it's kind of tough. So I'm going to cook it in the boiling water for a few minutes until tender. So I just have like cold water in, turn to my oven medium heat. I'm going to add a little bit of salt here. I'm just going to let the water bring up to a boil. And we're going to cook the string bean first to soften the string bean, and then we're going to drain the water out, and then we're going to saute it. String bean is cooking. Stir so they cook evenly. Not yet. Couple more minutes. Only take about 4-5 minutes. If you want your bean much softer, you just cook longer. It's no big deal. I like mine a little bit crunchy, you know. You can cook this all year long. It's very healthy. You can do this for like lunch, dinner, breakfast. Who cares, right? I love bean. I love asparagus. Oh yeah, that's good enough. Okay, I turn it off. And I'm going to drain the bean out. Skillet, medium-high heat. Very easy and fun to cook. Sesame oil. Voila. Ginger and garlic in. Oh, I gotta make more ginger and garlic. If you like spicy, you can add some hot chili. Oh, the sesame oil and ginger garlic smell so good. Add the bean in. Now we're gonna toss it. Trying to get the bean coating with this ginger and garlic mint. So delicious. Oh yeah. Little ground pepper. Sounds really good now. And then little hoisin sauce. Just a little bit, not much. And then soy sauce, lightly. Couple dash here. Couple dash here. That's good enough. That's it. Very simple, right? Yeah, I tell you very simple? Yeah, just like that, look. Oh yeah. Smell amazing. Look at this. Look at this. If you like to add some toasted almond nuts, go right ahead. Anything you like, add it in. There's no sauce, you see? It's like candy. Dry saute. Sometimes I like my bean to little caramelize, little burn. Tastes good. If you want to do that, just let them cook, you know, for a minute. Don't disturb it. They will get that kind of burning, caramelization. Basically, that's done. So, I'm going to add some sesame seed. Make it pretty for you. Here we go. That's it. Easy, right? You can make this at home. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tam. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Still crunchy. and tender inside. Gotta lift my finger. I guess it's like a finger food. I can handle really hot on my finger. So good. Yummy.